Hello, my name is Sorin and I want to welcome you to this video. You are here today because someone has shared this video with you, or you have probably seen an ad somewhere on the web. Either way, I'm glad that you are here with me today. The information that I'm going to share with you today may help you to change the way you are generating passive income in 2026 and beyond. Before moving forward, I just want to mention that this is not financial advice and I am not a professional financial advisor. And this is just talking from my own experience and from my own tests. As you probably already know, in the past few years, artificial intelligence has been taking over. More and more jobs are changing and some of them are even disappearing. That means that we need to search for new ways to generate money and even to increase our wealth. And that's where this project or this opportunity comes in. What I am talking about is Forex trading. Now, don't get scared. I know that you have probably seen ads before to different signals group on Telegram for Forex trading or bots or stuff like that on the web, but this is not related to that. The platform or the project that I want to introduce you to, it's called Tagmarkets. They are a licensed broker in Mauritius. They have offices in Dubai and they do everything legit. This is their platform. You can see it here. You will have a link to register for free, absolutely for free on the platform somewhere below this video. And after that, you can access the opportunity that I'm going to share with you. Now, absolutely every broker out there in the past few years, broker meaning a platform where you can trade on financial markets, has integrated a system which is called copy trading, right? What does that mean? If you don't know how to trade, you just go ahead and copy a trader who already does that absolutely every single day. Obviously, at the end of every week, the profit is calculated and you give the trader a profit share. Now, if every broker on the planet already has started to integrate the system, what is different at Tagmarkets? Well, they are not a simple broker. They are something hybrid, something between a traditional broker and a prop firm. A prop firm is basically a broker which gives you their own money to trade with them if you are a skilled trader. So if you don't have any knowledge of trading, you cannot work with a prop firm. But Tagmarkets is somewhere in between. What does that mean? That means that if you deposit an account with them or deposit money with them in order to trade, they will 12x your trading balance or even 24x your trading balance. That means that you will have a larger amount to trade with, which obviously gives you access to different strategies which are more safe for trading. That's why on Tagmarkets you can also find traders that you can copy, which are way more safer than in the traditional copy trading systems. Now, let me just log into my account and actually show you how this works. So this is the platform, Tagmarkets. You'll also find an account where you can basically sign up absolutely for free. So it's no cost for you at all to sign up on the platform. You'll find a link below this video where you can do that at the end after you see the whole information. And after that, if you want to give it a try, go ahead and give it a try. Again, what I want to mention from the get-go, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor myself. This is only from my testing and what my friends are testing and from my own experience and from what I believe that will go very well in the future and what I believe to be a big opportunity. So without further ado, let me log into the platform and show you how it works. So I will log into my account here. Okay, now I can log in. Okay, after we are logged in to our accounts, this is the first thing that we are going to see. It's our dashboard. You can see that on the left side we have a menu, and on the other side we have some information like an overview of everything that is happening into our account. The first thing that will appear to you after you create your account, because you need to verify your account, will be a thing here like a pop-up in red which will say verify your KYC. KYC stands for know your customer, and everyone basically is required to do that. That's what any platform which respects its users and respects all the laws has to do in order for full compliance. Okay, after that, it's very easy to deposit money on the platform. When you are going to want to deposit, you just go ahead, click on the deposit button, and you will have options. Basically, let's just select an amount as an example. You will have options in crypto and also through bank transfer or through your debit or credit card. It's very simple. You just select one of the methods, and you will see it's very intuitive. Okay. Now let me go back. Now we are back to the dashboard. Okay, after we have deposited money, what we do in order to access that copy trading system with traders which are doing very safe type of trading that we have mentioned, basically we have to go to the menu all the way down in the CopyX section. We just click on the CopyX option. We will see here all the strategies that are available at the moment. And the one that we recommend is actually the first one, which is called Sonic. Okay, how we can see the details of a trader? We just click on the details section. We see how the traders has performed, and if we want to copy that trader, and again, this is the one that we recommend, but everyone is obviously free to choose whatever trader they want to copy. We can see his details here, like his performance, his win rate, which is very high, right? His drawdown, which is also very low. We just click on the connect button. We put in the amount that we want to trade, let's say $1,000. Then we let the Amplify account as it is here. Then we click on this option, community token. Here you will have to put in a shorter code and press verify. You will have that code also in the description of this video. And after that, there will be a longer code like a token address or a hash ID that you will also have to put in, and press a button that will appear here, submit. Then you will check the boxes here, then copy now, and everything will be created automatically for you. Now let me show you exactly how this works and how it looks for me. I just go into my follower hub after I have copied someone, a trader, and here I have my dashboard. I can see the amount invested. I can see my profit net loss. I can see my return on investment. Okay, here I have all the strategies, and I can see that I have the strategy active. At whatever point I want to close the strategy, I just press stop, and that's it. The strategy stops. All the trades are closed. Okay, here I can follow the trades. Very simple. For those of you who are, let's say, familiar with this, you can also see what trades are made. So as you can see, this is very simple. You can withdraw profit almost instantly. The only rule is that your initial deposit, when you copy a trader, is that you have to wait for it at least 40 days before withdrawing it. But the profit that you make is withdrawn instantly. As you can see, this is very easy to use, and basically is as close as it can get to passive income, right? Because you just deposit the money, you copy the trader, and it starts working for you. Even if you don't log in for 1 week and you don't check it, it still works. It still does the trades for you, and it still generates you profit. Now that's it. You can see very easy, not complicated at all. The only thing that I still want to mention is that, again, this is from our own experience. This is not financial advice. We are not financial advisors, but we consider this to be a big opportunity. You can see the results for yourself. You can see the track record for yourself. So it's your decision. But if you want to test it out, go ahead, create your free account from the link below this video, or from the description of this video, and then you will be able to start doing copy trading yourself. Thank you again for watching, and hope to see you on the inside.